Oh, who left you little ones out here? You must need a home. I'll keep you safe. Whoever...
Well, hello there, Sweet Pea. Did you come to see me?
Well, hello, sweetheart. Are you lost?
Well, hello, Sweet Pea.
Well, hello there, buddy. Did you get lost? What is that thing on your...
Well, hey there, buddy. You lost?
Well, hello there, sweetheart. Are you lost? Well, hi there, sweetheart. Are you